Hello, this is Erin from Bridgeville and South Fayette Township Libraries. Today we are going to make a coconut oil face mask. Let's see what we'll need for this project. We are going to start by measuring out our coconut oil, and we want to use it just in its solid state. So here I have a 1/4 cup measured out. I'm just going to put that straight into my bowl here. And then the next step is to add my essential oils. You can mix and match with whatever oils you want. You just want to add 10 drops of each oil. So I like citrus, so I'm going to add grapefruit and orange. And then the next thing you want to add is some almond oil, and you're just going to drizzle a little on there. The almond oil acts as what's called a carrier oil, and that will bind the coconut oil and your essential oils together. So our last step here will be to take a mixer, and I'm going to mix these ingredients all together until they're nice and blended. So I'll do that and be back in a second. So here I have my finished product, and I have a 4-ounce mason jar here. Before I put my face mask in it, I made sure to clean it out with just some warm soapy water and dry it thoroughly. But it's nice and mixed up, and if I keep this in a cool, dry place, this should last me at least 2 months. And when I go to use it, I'm just going to scoop a little out onto my hand there and apply it directly to my face and just swirl it in so that it covers my whole face. And then I want to immediately wash my face off with a warm washcloth. And that's how you make a coconut oil face mask. Thanks for tuning in, and have a great day, everyone.